Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. In today's video I have this BMW E91, so the Estate version. This is a 2009 model, but it's the same for quite a few years, from 2007 till 2012 I think. I'm gonna replacing the bulb that's in here, so it's gone off and it's just not coming on when we open the boot. So we basically need to get something like a skinny flat head screwdriver in there and just sort of flick this down a bit. Okay, so once you get it down a little bit, you can then remove these, and we need to remove this little silver cover plate here. If you pull it from here, it should come out. I think there is some spider eggs in there, so that isn't supposed to be there anyway. You may be able to see there it says K 10 watts. So I've got a bulb here to replace the bulb in there, and it is a 12 volt 10 watt bulb. So that's the bulb that's blown. Just take it out and make sure you have a look at the wattage. So obviously you put the same type of bulb in there, and what does that say? This particular one says K15772, Hungary. It also says 7576F, but the camera cannot focus on that. Maybe it can. Right, there we are. So I also have 12 volts 10 watts 842. So I have the same type of bolt here, and we can fit that in there. If you put it, as you can see, it's already coming on. So you may have to put it in a little bit quicker, or you may have to basically disconnect it from here so you don't get burnt, obviously. But then we can put this little cover back on. I may leave the spider children in there. I don't know if I should or I shouldn't. I just don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna fit this back in here then. So it's just kind of the way it came out. Make sure it clips in here at the bottom first, and then we need to close it and push it up, and that's it. So now we have our nice light working. So anyway, hope the video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. By the way, this you can just type the numbers that I gave you, and it will come up. If you type it on Google, you can find anything on Google. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.